Hello and welcome. Here's how to factory reset your GoPro Hero Black 7. What we'll need to do is just swipe down from the top of the screen, then go to Preferences. You'll have a Preferences list here. Scroll down this list to the very bottom and you will see Reset. Click on Reset, then scroll down this list and you will see Factory Reset at the bottom. Click Factory Reset. A window pops up saying resets your settings, clears your connections and removes the camera from your GoPro Plus account. So you can just click Reset here. This will start the reset process. It takes just a few seconds, and once that's done, it will ask you to set the camera up as a brand new camera. So you'll just need to add the date and the time, etc. So I hope this has helped you. If you need further information on a GoPro, I have a fantastic GoPro beginner's guide. I'll leave a link in the description. If this video has helped, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a quick thumbs up, and I'd like to thank you for choosing my video. Best of luck.